All right, you're going to be creating a project soon, and it can be real life as you want it to be. I came outside so that I could look at my pool. We just installed a pool recently, but I want you to see that this pool has certain surface area to it, and because it's a depth, it has a volume to it. So we have to filter by the surface area of the pool and by the depth of the pool or the volume of the pool. So my filtering unit has to be so big, and the pleats in the cartridge have to have so many square feet. So the filter and the pool mathematically go together because your cartridge has to be the right size for the pool. And then we decided we wanted to put a border around our pool. So we had to measure how far around the pool was. And because it is an oval pool, if you look from that end to about here, that's half of a circle on that side and another half of a circle on the other side. So when we actually did the calculations, I did a rectangular center and added the circumference, which gave me exactly how many feet around I would need. And then I extended that footage out from the pool to where I wanted to put the concrete border. And I knew exactly how many feet. And it's kind of hard to see in my picture here, but that concrete walkway that we put around the pool was also 8 feet, not 8 feet, that'd be really deep, 8 inches deep. So we were able to calculate the volume in cubic feet of concrete we would have to mix. And then 8 inches by how far were we going to mulch, so we could actually calculate how many bags of mulch we needed to buy. So this is one whole project that I could use calculations for math all day long. Now your project doesn't have to be a real life project, or you could actually create a model using cardboard and styrofoam and stuff like that, so that you could actually create a model, maybe the best or the most beautiful pool that you could design. How much water would be in your pool? Is it level? Does it have a deep end? Does it have a shallow end? All these kind of questions you can answer. Another project that we had done years ago is I wanted to cover my patio. So how far of a span would it be from one side all the way across to the other? And I didn't want any down poles in the middle of my patio because I wanted to have a table and my jacuzzi and stuff like that. Okay, so we wanted to figure out how to create a beam that would be strong enough to hold up all the way across the length of the patio. And then we had to put the roofing on, and then we had to run conduit in order to run the electricity. Okay, so there's all sorts of math and things that we do around the house each and every day. Surface area of the windows, how many gallons of paint to paint the doors, things like that. This is just my passion because I love building and creating things. I like mounting things. I like doing my own work out in the backyard. You're going to find what your passion is, whether it's gardening, planting, patio design, pool design, astrophysics, medicine, anything that you're interested in. And I want you to be able to show me volume, surface area, density, how these things are incorporated in it. So don't wait till the last minute to get started. Sometimes just thinking about your idea is going to take more time than actually starting it. Okay, so I want you to look around the house, get some ideas, maybe ponder the internet, get some other ideas. Maybe it's gardening. I wasn't sure if I could grow anything, so literally I took and stuck a piece of lettuce. I had romaine lettuce in the house, so I threw part of my romaine lettuce in. I planted a potato, and I threw the top of my onion. You can actually see it's just the top of my onion into this little bucket to see if I could grow it. But now look at my bucket. There's too dense of plants for that little tiny surface area of dirt that I have. So I'm going to have to replant them now that I'm seeing that I can actually grow something. So gardening, how many plants per so many feet can you plant? How deep does the soil have to be? What's the surface area that plants can grow? Because obviously I didn't do this one right. Okay, so look around. It doesn't have to be this huge complicated project. I want it to be a well done project. And it doesn't have to be something I'm interested in. It has to be something that you're interested in. All right, I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.